Beef Wellington is a classic British dish that features beef tenderloin, mushroom duxelles, and puff pastry. Here's what you'll need to make it. Ingredients: 2 pounds beef tenderloin, salt and pepper, 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1 tablespoon Dijon mustard, 1 pound mushrooms, finely chopped, 2 shallots, finely chopped, 2 cloves garlic, minced, 2 tablespoons butter, 1/4 cup dry sherry, 1 package frozen puff pastry, thawed, 1 egg, beaten. Instructions: season the beef tenderloin with salt and pepper. Heat the olive oil in a large skillet over high heat, and sear the beef on all sides until it's brown. This should take about 5 to 7 minutes. Remove the beef from the skillet and let it cool. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius. Spread the Dijon mustard all over the beef tenderloin. In the same skillet, add the mushrooms, shallots, garlic, and butter. Cook over medium-high heat for about 10 minutes, or until the mushrooms have released their moisture and the mixture has become dry. Add the sherry and cook for an additional 2 to 3 minutes until the liquid has evaporated. Roll out the puff pastry on a floured surface to about 1/4 inch thickness. Place the mushroom mixture in the center of the puff pastry, forming a rectangle slightly larger than the beef tenderloin. Place the beef tenderloin on top of the mushroom mixture. Brush the edges of the puff pastry with beaten egg, then fold the pastry up and over the beef tenderloin, pressing the edges together to seal. Brush the top of the puff pastry with beaten egg, then transfer the beef Wellington to a baking sheet. Bake the beef Wellington for 35 to 40 minutes, or until the puff pastry is golden brown and the beef is cooked to your desired level of doneness. Let the beef Wellington rest for 5 to 10 minutes before slicing and serving. Beef Wellington is a delicious and impressive dish that's perfect for special occasions or dinner parties. Enjoy!